welcome to Daily Bread Bakery.
May I please have the vanilla cake?
Okay, and what can I get for you?
Okay, so we're gonna have the vanilla cake, and can I have a couple chicken patties?
Okay.
And we'll also take a pack of round bread.
Okay, no problem. We actually just made the round bread, so I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy that. And how many patties would you like?
2, please.
2.
No coffee.
Daily Bread Bakery, c'est un boulanger haïtien, spécialité c'est pâté haïtien, pain haïtien, ou joindre tout à cassan, limonade, crémasse, pain patate, grillade banane pesée et un pile l'autre bagarre encore. C'est le temps qu'on rentre dans boulangerie Saint-Marc, Daily Bread Bakery, 1404 East Fletcher Avenue, n'attends pas, téléphone c'est 813 374 24 20. Ben quotidien, c'est dans Daily Bread Bakery.